In this case, the judge is of the view that the votes that were cast for the PDP, not necessarily for the candidate. How do we determine that?
Well, that's a difficult question on which our courts have given some pronouncements. In the case of Amechi, the Supreme Court said the votes belong to the party.
The party.
In another case, they said it belongs to the individual. Our electoral law is really has gone through so many stages and iterations, and they're trying to correct various issues. But fundamental to the legitimacy of all elections is what was the will of the people, and has it been expressed freely and fairly? That is the question. Now, I cannot understand personally, from a personal logical standpoint, how a party presents a candidate and that candidate can be substituted. It seems to me that you ask somebody to be your flag bearer, which means it is in his own name that he carries your flag. But your party cannot be a candidate in an election. It has to be an individual. Voters vote for an individual. The party merely indicates to them what to expect from him. What are the policies? What is the manifesto and agenda? And who are the people he associates with? Can we trust them? But it's the individual who is on the ballot who you vote for. So I find it very difficult if I vote for Jimmy Disu as candidate of the PDP, and someone says, well, he's no longer in the PDP. That is a moral and a political question. It means that the political process should deal with how to punish him for dumping his party. It's not a legal matter because he has been properly elected, and the Constitution provides a limited number of means by which a governor may be removed from office. This declaration made by this judge, as I said, I haven't read the judgment, and there may be some brilliant exposition which has not occurred to many constitutional scholars before, and I give him the benefit of the doubt. But that is the problem. A man has been elected. Whether he changes
not the party.
Exactly. Whether he changes his political affiliation or not is a political rather than a legal issue.